Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've got an unbagging and this one is from AliExpress. Now I'm not sure whether you use AliExpress coins. They have this thing whereby every day you can go on and go into the coins section and press a button and you get like coins, extra coins, and when you collect these coins you can use them as discounts on different things. Some of them maybe discounts, some of them aren't. There are some things that you can get for 1p with the coins. Obviously you have to collect quite a few to get them. I've never managed to get one yet. In my area it comes up at 8 AM in the morning, and I've actually been on at 8 AM in the morning and pressed it as soon as it turned to 8 AM and they've gone straight away. It says sold out. But then they do have down below coin discounts where you pay like £2, £3, £4 or supposedly a good discount by using your coins as well. And this is one of the items that I got. So I've opened the end, so let's go in and have a look and see what we got. Okay, what you'll tend to find with the diamond paintings, you have to be careful. They do tend to be the little teeny tiny ones, so be careful getting really small ones, because obviously, depending on the picture, they may not come out and they may not be brilliant. But this one is from, now then, let me get the store right. It's AZQSD custom diamond painting store. And this is a custom that I got, and I believe I paid about £2 something for it with about 500 coins. Now it is only a 30 by 20, but I thought, seeing as I had like an art image of Millie, my little Scottie dog, I'd give it a go and see how it turns out. It is a double-sided tape. It is a square drill, I believe I got. Yep, I've got a square drill there. And it's actually come 30 colours on a 30 by 20 canvas. I also think as well with these, it just gives you a less expensive way of trying out a company to see what the kits are like and whether you're going to like them, and to see how it is. But 30 colours on that little picture. But yeah, that was one. It's a photograph I took of Millie sat in our conservatory, and I turned it into like an art painting. It's quite an abstract one, so I thought I would see how this turns out. So okay, so that's the drills. They've all come in baggies, which is excellent because we like drills in bags. That means it's already self-kitted up already. So let's have a quick look at these drills and see what they're like, if we can find an end to get into. And I've just spotted something else that I like. I'll show you that in a second. Oh, this is a big bag. It's just like a standard one that they have for drills. So let's have a look. Get them out of that bag there. It's got the number on it there. I wonder if that will come off. I tend not to. No, it's, ooh, possibly I'll have a go at getting that off later. Okay, and I've been out and treated myself to some little trays, because I thought I'd give these a go for kitting up. And they were from our local supermarket. It's an Asda store, it's called. I think Walmart possibly do them as well. Or were these from the range? No, I apologise. These are from the range, which is a store that we do quite a lot of crafting stuff from. And I think they were £1.49 for 3 of these. And I thought they're just sort of like baggy width for kitting up into. So let's have a look and check that I've got all the colours here. But oh, look, spotted it now. Look, 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 gold tweezers, and they're good tweezers as well with point. So just let me put that out of the way. We'll have a proper look in a minute. Just going to check these drills off now. So let's have a look, and we'll have a look at the colours as we go through. They all look pretty good. As I said, they're squares. It is poured glue. Sorry, it is double-sided tape. My brain today. But I thought with only a 20 by 30, it's not going to be bad. So let's have a look. Where's number 1? I bet they were all in order and I've just tipped them all up. That's number 7. 20, 28, 19, 8, 5, 3. Oh, we're getting closer. 4, 17. It's number 30, 13. It's a 20. Okay, so number 1 is a lovely red colour. We've got DMC numbers on there as well. So we'll start off with number 1. Looking for number 2. Probably the last one that I pick up. Yeah, number 2. And that's like a burgundy colour there. And where was number 3? I think this was here. I know that's number 5. That's number 8. 9, 11, 7. Can you spot it? I can't see number 3. Number 18. Oh, there it is, look. That's like a lilac-y colour, so that's 3, 4. You do, if you've not got many colours, you'll possibly need something to stand in the back there. I could have maybe done with one half the size, but I just thought they were just the right width for diamond painting. 6. Right, so we want now number 7. Number 7, where are you hiding? Come in, number 7, your time is up. 8, 9, 12. Oh, there it is, number 7. Okay. And 8, 9. Let's look for number 10. Number 10 obviously gets easier to kit up as you go along. That's 17, not 11, Liz. 11. And 12. And where's 13, 16, 13, 14, 15. See, just seen 16. Where did I put it? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So all colours present and correct. So we've got some good shades there. Look, lots of pinks, blues, purples. You wouldn't expect that in a Scottie dog pattern. And a big bright red there as well. So, okay, so that is now all kitted up and ready to go, which is excellent. Okay, pop that in there with it as well. I will probably be doing this one sometime soon. Right, let's have a look at this canvas. We'll give it time to relax a little bit. I'll have a look at the toolkit. Take the plastic off. I've got a piece of sellotape going around the edge there. Let me just get my scissors and carefully snip this. Now, double-sided tape, you do have to be careful if you abuse it in any way. Don't ever roll them backwards. Then you may find that you'll get like bubbles and rivers, and that means your drills don't stick. Oh, sellotape stuck to me. Your drills won't stick properly to the canvas. They may come away, and you may find that you're going to spoil your canvas and your painting. So let's just eke this out slowly. Do it the right way up, Liz, that might help. And I've had similar to these before actually, where they've got the really big edges to them. It's a little foam roller on it. Actually, that would be quite good if I cut that down, look, for putting in the back of there to stop the drills moving. Let it bend round, let's have a look. Just bend that round a little bit. No, not quite, but if I cut that down, I can use that to keep my drills in place. Okay, another idea. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, this is a really, really curly one. So let's just flatten it out that little bit. It's one great big piece of double-sided tape, so that's good. There's no ridges going to come in the middle. This looks really nice and clear as well. We've got a good clear key code down there with a few numbers and symbols and things, but 30 colours, goodness me. Tells us there how many drills we've got of each as well, so if you wanted to add those up you could do to see how many drills it's got. It's a nice soft canvas. Looks like we've just got one little crease there, but that's nothing to worry about. So let's have a look at this. I wonder which way up it will be. Let's see if we can just peel this back. Careful not to peel the double-sided tape up at the same time. Yeah, it is double-sided tape. Yeah. So let's just peel this down really, really carefully. They did actually send me a mock-up of what this would look like as well. I'll put the pictures down below, but I think that looks absolutely fab. Oh, the red's in the cushion. Look at the background. I've got a little tartan Scottie cushion in the background there. I think that is going to come out super for the size of it, 20 by 30. You can see, it actually looks better in the camera, but you can see her face, you can see her eyes and her nose and her tongue, and all her little paws and everything here. So I will be very interested to do this and see how this turns out. But I am very, very pleased. So thank you, AZQSD. This is a lovely little canvas, and it's my little Millie Moo. Being a little devil at the minute because it's so hot. She's not a happy bunny or a happy Scottie, as it were. So yeah, but yeah, we've got all. I do like the black lines, obviously, with it being like an abstract art image. It's come out with the darker black line, so things will stand out a little bit more. If this was an actual just the photograph, I don't think you would have got the detail, but because I've turned it into an art image, and it's abstracted more, I think then it's really going to look like Millie and look like the photograph. So yeah, I am super, super pleased with that. The quality and the condition of the canvas looks super. As I say, it is a square. I do prefer, if I'm going to get a custom, that I get it as a square, because I think you do get better detail, but obviously that's personal choice. I do prefer working with rounds. I'm a lot better with rounds, but because this is a custom, I want it to look nice, and it will be going on my Scottie wall in my craft room. So last but not least, let's have a look at this toolkit. I can't believe it. Is it just me? But I like getting the toolkits. It's like getting a little extra gift. I'd be really sad if I didn't get a toolkit. Okay, so we've got, oh, look at those tweezers. We have a clear pen, which is quite nice if you want to put your drills in there. I've put pink sparkly ones in one of mine. You've got a nice pen grip there, particularly in this hot weather. If you're trying to hold one of these plastic pens and your hands are a little bit warm or get a little bit sweaty, it can get really sticky, but having a pen grip on just means you can hold on to it. Plus it's a little bit chunkier to hold as well. So when you're diamond painting, if you have any trouble with your hands, then you can pick things up a little bit better. And we've got the nice, good quality, new, thin multi-places look. So we've got that's a 3, is it 4? Ooh, yeah, that's a 4-placer. Yeah, that's a 4-placer there that we've got. And this one, has it got it written on it? No, I can't see anything written. Is this a 9? Seems to be pretty standard. Or is it a 10? Nope, that's a 10-placer. So we've got a 4 and a 10 multi-placer, if you like doing multi-placing. It's not something that I'm really well into. It's something I will do in the future, and I have had a go, and it's going to take practice. I've got 2 big pieces of wax, and it's like the red wax, not the clear opaque sort of pinky wax that you get, so that's a little bit better quality. A nice with high sides boat there. but it hasn't got a spout, but they are quite good if you get them into the corners. In fact, I quite often put them into the back corner and find it easier to pour from the back corner rather than the front when I'm using diamonds. But then we've got gold tweezers, and the sharp pointy tweezers, but look, that's like a real matte sparkly gold on there. Ooh, I shall be using those. They're going to be my new favourite tweezers. Wow. But just keep the end on because they are sharp. You don't want to be stabbing yourself when you're reaching into your craft box or whatever you use, and you've got sharp tweezers there. But yeah, gold tweezers. So that's another point. So for the price, I mean, obviously I got this on a special offer, so I will put the price down below, but it was a very good price, and it was good of them to send me the mock-up of the picture to show me what it would look like. And then it's come in pretty good time as well. I think it was about 10 days to 14 days, so really, really good. Really impressed, and I will certainly, if this drills up and looks as good as I think it's going to do once I've got it all completed, then I will definitely be ordering further ones. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at my little custom of my little Millie. Look at her little face, and she's not in the room with me today, so I can't say hello to her or anything. She's really, really hot. She's actually now downstairs toilet because it's the coldest place in the house at the moment. Okay, so if you've enjoyed watching this, if you press the like button, just gives me a little bit of a hand with YouTube. And if you want to see more, press the subscribe and the little bell next to it, and you're notified then of when my next videos come out. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.